Welcome to the training module on heavy-duty, environmentally sealed, multi-pin circular connectors. This training module will study on heavy-duty, environmentally sealed, multi-pin circular connectors, HD30 and HDP20 series. Deutsch HD30 series features a lightweight yet compact and rugged metal shell to protect contacts and sealing grommets. This shell provides a multiple keying system that positively prevents mismating and makes plug and receptacle coupling quick and easy. The HD30 series uses a bayonet coupling system that provides a positive vibration resistant locking mechanism with visual indication of proper mate and lock. This quick disconnect system requires only a quarter turn to operate. The HDP20 uses a bayonet coupling system to provide a vibration-resistant locking mechanism. This shell provides a multiple keying system that positively prevents mismating and makes plug and receptacle coupling quick and easy. The receptacles mount with a single hole using a flat to prevent the connector from rotating. This page gives details about material specification of the HD30 plug, the HD30 receptacle, the HDP20 plug and the HDP20 receptacle. An accessory used under special circumstances where the wires must make a 90-degree turn immediately following the rear of the connector and where the harness must be inside convoluted tubing. The threaded type adapter allows for a wider range of backshell and/or accessories to be terminated. The Deutsch HD series was developed to provide a solution to today's system problems found in the heavy-duty trucking, equipment and transportation industries. The DH is a cylindrical, multi-pin seal device utilizing crimp type that are quickly and easily inserted or removed. Use of the HD series eliminates several other common connector problems. The HD and HDP series uses crimp type solid copper alloy contacts for damage-proof performance and stamped and forged copper alloy contacts for cost effectiveness. Each style has the ability to carry continuous high operating current loads without overheating. The contacts or terminals are crimp terminated using automatic tooling for production and inexpensive, readily available hand tools for field maintenance. Deutsch Shell series provides cost effectiveness with heavy-duty terminations for the truck, bus and off-highway industries. Deutsch HD30 series provides a lightweight yet compact and rugged metal shell to protect contacts and sealing grommets. This shell provides a multiple keying system that positively prevents mismating and makes plug and receptacle coupling quick and easy. Deutsch HD HDP series provides the widest selection of interconnections for critical circuits requiring heavy-duty environmental terminations. Together, the HD and HDP offer common layouts, common tooling, the same adaptability to backshells, and both meet the performance standards for heavy-duty applications. Deutsch HD HDP series environmental connectors offer the advantages of decreased costs and upgraded performance. Designed to withstand years of abuse, the Deutsch HD and HDP series is setting the pace in the heavy equipment industry. Key features common to the HD and HDP series are given in this page. This page gives information about contacts and application data for HD connector. It is solid contacts, stamped forged contacts. The HD series uses crimp type solid copper alloy contacts for damage-proof performance and the ability to carry continuous high operating current loads without overheating. The contacts or terminals are crimp terminated using automated tooling for production and expensive, readily available hand tools for field maintenance. After crimping, these contacts are easily installed by simply pushing the contact into place by hand. Contacts are positively secured by use of fingers in the connector which lock behind the shoulder of the contact, preventing accidental dislodging. Although securely locked in place, these contacts can be quickly and easily removed by the use of an inexpensive, non-conductive removal tool. This page gives ordering information for HD30 series connectors. This page gives ordering information for the HDP20 series connectors. Deutsch offers the best product for your applications, while holding the line on hidden inventory and assembly costs. It finds application in trucks, buses, farm equipment, as well as construction equipment.